Welcome to our video where we'll delve into our dispatcher panel. We'll demonstrate how to create a trip for our customers within the dispatcher panel. Let's begin by exploring our dispatcher panel. We start with a simple login process. You're prompted to add your email followed by your password. If you happen to forget your password, there's a convenient option to reset it using the Forgot Password feature. Once you've entered your credentials, simply click on the Submit button to successfully log in. Upon logging in, you'll be directed to our trip creation screen. Here, you're able to view and enter your pickup address, as well as your destination address. For enhanced convenience, you can use your current location or adjust your location with a map pin by dragging and dropping. The map also allows for dragging to fine-tune your exact location. Next, you'll notice the option to add stops. If you need multiple stops for your trip, this feature is easily accessible. Moving on to the Select Type option, you'll discover a range of service features that we offer, including rental trips, ride-sharing, and immediate booking options. Before finalizing, you can view the estimated cost of your trip with the View Estimate feature. This includes a detailed breakdown of pricing, including the base fare, distance fare, and time fare. Additional fees such as a cancellation fee and even taxes are also applied and transparently displayed. Finally, you can review and select your service type, ensuring that all your preferences for your trip are met. This section is for the pickup address, and this one is for your destination. Here, we can also provide the distance between your pickup and destination, as well as the timing for this trial. Here, the pricing is displayed, and then we proceed to the next step. Here, you are also able to search for a user. If you have any previous data about a user, you can search for them. We go about searching for the user by number. All the information loads automatically. Here, you can view details like the phone number, first name, last name, and email as well. You can also add all the details manually. For now, let's search for a user by their number. Following that, you can see both options, which are the nearest driver and the option to select manually. If you choose to select manually, you can view the nearest drivers available to your location. You can select the driver manually. Then, you will be able to see the driver's name and number. After that, you click on the Right Now button. When you opt for Right Now, a fixed rate is also available for this trip. If you wish to go with the fixed rate, which we are showing as the estimated price, you can do so. Alternatively, if you prefer the time and distance pricing, you can select the No button. Here, we are choosing No. You will then see that our trip is being processed. For our trip details, look here. Our trip information is contained in the New section. You can view the older details of trips booked by you and other users. Here, you can see the trips that have been accepted. Our trip is confirmed. You can then view all the details of your trip on the map. All the relevant trip information is provided here on the map. Moving on, in this section, we focus on selecting a free driver. Here's where we assign jobs to available drivers. And here, we provide all the information about drivers who are currently offline in our city. We can also offer complete details of the trip. After that, you can look at all the user details, including username, phone number, and you can even view the date and time, along with your destination locations and service type. Additionally, a dispatcher is available to cancel the trip if the user wishes to do so. At any point, the dispatcher has the capability to cancel the trip. For now, let's proceed with a normal, ongoing trip. Afterward, you can see the upcoming statuses. You have the option to modify the trip status if needed. By clicking Arrived, the status updates automatically in the driver's app, indicating that the driver has arrived. The dispatcher is also empowered to alter the status as necessary. Once the driver has arrived, you will be able to view this section upon the driver's arrival. As soon as our driver starts the trip, you will have access to the trip details right at your fingertips. Here, we will provide all the information pertaining to the ongoing trip. While we wait for the trip to complete, let's discuss the purpose of the dispatcher panel. The taxi dispatcher, also known as the starters, plays an essential role. They assign cabs according to customer preferences while maintaining a record of the rides. Their crucial role extends to ensuring passengers are picked up in a timely and safe manner. Effective communication between the driver and the user is vital. The dispatcher sends cabs to customers and keeps track of their service calls. They may also stay in contact with the driver while they are en route. Our dispatcher panel possesses all the required functionalities. We hope you now understand why we have incorporated the dispatcher panel into our platform. As our trip nears completion, you will be able to view it in the completed section. There, you can see the details of your completed trip, including user information, driver information, and the customer's pickup and destination addresses. Additionally, you will be able to view the status updates, including when the trip was created, when the driver accepted, when the driver was coming, when the driver arrived, and when the trip started, as well as when it was completed. If needed, you can also download your invoice. This concludes the process of how a normal trip is created and completed in our dispatcher panel. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you have understood the process of creating and completing a trip within our dispatcher panel. We are very appreciative and grateful that you watched this video.